Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to complete TikTok identity verification. Simple guide. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is to switch our account into a business account. So to do that, tap on the profile button at the bottom right of your screen, and then tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right of your screen, and tap on settings and privacy. And from here, tap on account, and tap on switch to business account. And from here, you would need to answer some questions. So tap on next, next again, and choose the category that you are in. So let's say I'm in clothing and accessories, and tap on next. And then you might want to add your email. You might not want to skip this one, but for this tutorial, I'm just gonna skip this right here. And you can also add your bio if you'd want. And now, as you can see, you are now a registered business account. So now what you want to do is to go back to your profile, and from here tap on the three horizontal bars again on the top right of your screen. From here tap on business suite. And from here what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see business page right here. So tap on that and tap on the toggle here for business page. Make sure that you turn it on. And if it's your first time opening your business page right here, then you might need to tap on the join button first before you get here. And once you're done with this one, now do you want to go back and tap need help? And then from here, you want to go for account features right here. And you want to make sure that you find this one right here, the blue verification badge account right here. So it's under the account type. So you want to tap on that right here. And what is a verified badge? You want to tap on that. And from here, you want to tap here on no right there, and need more help. Tap on that. And then from here, you want to provide what you need. So you want to go for I want to get my account verified, just like that. And make sure that you provide your email right here, your email, and then your username right here. And then you can add more details. Just be very specific so that the customer support would be able to know how they can help you. So yeah, this is basically how you do it. If possible, you can add pictures, videos, or whatsoever with your issue regarding your verification. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.